Can everyone easily navigate your website? If your site isn't accessible to everyone, you might be losing visitors. Fortunately, you can make your website accessible for everyone. An accessible WordPress theme allows people with disabilities to use your site, and doing so is easier than ever, especially if you use WordPress. And using the right accessibility plugin can make your WordPress site more user-friendly. Hey guys, it's James from GigaPress.net. Do you know what's the best WordPress accessibility plugin you can use? I found the WP Accessibility plugin to be the best option to quickly and easily improve the accessibility of a WordPress site. To install this plugin, go to your WordPress dashboard. Then, navigate to Plugins and select Add New Plugin. Go to the search box at the top right and type WP Accessibility. Click the Install Now button and activate. Once activated, you'll find the WP Accessibility menu in your dashboard and then click on it. Now here are the key features of this plugin to improve your website's user experience. First is adding Skiplinks. Skiplinks are an accessibility feature that allows users of screen readers to easily navigate between different sections of a web page. With the latest update, if you're using an accessibility-ready theme, now it has the skip links built into your site. But if you're using a different theme, just go over the settings and you will find an option to enable skip links. To make your skip links work, you may be required to specify the CSS ID of your main content area, and this will simply be content in most themes. You can also specify the ID of your site navigation and optionally include a link to your sitemap and/or an additional custom link. Next is adding focus outline to elements. Many WordPress themes don't highlight themes or form fields when using a keyboard, making navigation difficult for some users. WP Accessibility fixes this by adding a clear outline effect on focused elements, letting you choose the color for better visibility. Next, adding an accessibility toolbar. You can use WP Accessibility to add an accessibility toolbar to your site, with options to increase the font size or switch to a higher contrast style. While these features may not work perfectly with every theme by default, you can customize the style sheets to ensure a smooth and seamless integration. Another key feature is adding longer image descriptions. Generally, it's a good practice to add a descriptive alt attribute whenever you add an image. This can help users of screen readers make sense of the visuals in your content. But sometimes an image, like an infographic or detailed diagram, needs more context than a simple alt text can provide. Good thing, WP Accessibility adds support for the long desk attribute, which uses the WordPress media description field to generate a page describing the image. Screen reader users will be notified when a long description is available and can access it with a simple keystroke, making complex images like infographics and diagrams much more accessible. And that's it! WP Accessibility has many other functions besides the features we mentioned, including removing title attributes, removing target attributes from links, forcing an error on empty search submissions, adding post titles to more links, custom admin style sheet, and forcing underlines on links. And so far, WP Accessibility is the best WordPress accessibility plugin. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.